Now, quarters, you know, if you're familiar with the coins, quarters, do you know it takes 4 quarters to make $1? That means 4 quarters to make the whole thing. The same thing with a clock. It takes 4 quarters of the clock to make the whole hour. Here's 1 quarter. That's a fourth of the way around the clock from here to here. And this is a quarter. And this is a quarter. And this is a quarter. So 1 quarter. Another quarter is right here. And this is a quarter. And this is a quarter. Right now my clock says 7 o'clock. I have to take the yarn off. You have to remember where it was. If I move the minute hand to here, we say it's 7:15 because I've gone past 7 o'clock by 1 quarter. Now if I move my minute hand down to here, we wouldn't say it's 2 quarters past 7. We say it's 7:30 because now the minute hand's gone halfway around the clock. If I keep moving, I don't say it's 3 quarters past 7 because that just sounds a little strange. I say it's 7:45 because there's only 1 quarter. There's only 1 quarter of the clock left before it's 8 o'clock. So we have o'clock is straight up. This is 1/4 past. This is 1/2 past. And this is 1:45. I brought some labels today to show you with the clock. So straight up is o'clock. At the 3 is 1/4 past. Down here at the 6 is 1/2 past. And over here is 1:45. Okay? So right now it's 9 o'clock. And now it is 1/4 past 9. And now 9:30, or we could say 1/2 past 9. And 9:45, or if we use words instead of numbers, we would say 9:45. I'm going to make some of these word cards for you so that today when you do your clock paper, you'll remember how to write them. Okay, remember straight up is o'clock. At the 3 is 1/4 past. At the 6 is 1/2 past. And at the 9 is 1:45. And your paper is going to look like this. Okay, I did the front side to show you how to do it. And I need you to do both the front and the back side because this takes a lot of practice. The first clock says 7 o'clock. I wrote it in numbers and then in words. This clock says 7:15. I wrote it in numbers and I wrote 1/4 past 7. Now underneath it I wrote 1/4 after 7 because sometimes people say it that way. I wanted you to see that, but you only have to write it the one way, 1/4 past 7. The next one right here, we know that says 7:30 and we say 1/2 past 7. Remember that means the minute hand has gone halfway around the clock. And then this one, 7:45, that's what we say in numbers. But if we write it in words, we say 7:45 because there's only 1 quarter of the clock left to go before it's 8 o'clock. 7:45. Some people say 7:45, but you don't have to write that. Just write 7:45. And then do the other side. And the word cards that I'm going to give you will help you to remember how to write these words because you're going to hear people say these words and you need to know what they mean. Clocks can be tricky, but I know you'll get it. Good luck. Bye.